everyone, it's Friday morning. We are waiting around 20 minutes to catch a Flix bus. And this is the cheapest way to travel around UK. It's only half an hour journey from North Greenwich to Cambridge. And it's cost us £14. Yeah, £14. And I think this is my very first Flix bus journey and it's really pretty well. In our very first video, we are going to show you places you can't miss in Cambridge. So, hope you enjoy it. Cambridge located in East England, and Cambridge is considered a model cycling city. And just in case you don't have idea about the walking tour around Cambridge city, there are some tour guides. You can talk with them for free information.
Yeah, so we provide both walking tours and river tours as well. Is this something you're planning on doing today?
Yeah, we plan to do as well.
Alumni tours. So all of our tour guides are Cambridge University students as well. Okay, you'll see today, we'll show you the famous mathematical bridge, the Bridge of Sighs, which is my favourite, the Wren Library, St John's, just to name a few. This is one of our groups outside Trinity College at the moment. Okay, they're 90 minutes long. It's around 25 minutes of walking in total, and the rest of it is stopping and talking as well. We actually have a Traveller's Choice award as well. Prices for the walking tour are £30 per adult. The sessions are 28. Are you guys students?
Myself, is
You're a student?
Yeah.
And you're a student?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you're both students. It's just going to be £28 if you want to book on today for the tour.
Number 1, King's College. So let's go.
The last century.
Yes, the last entries are at 11:45 today. As long as you're in there before then, you can stay till
You can stay in as long as you want. The chapel will close at 12:30, so it's your finals. Yeah, but I'm sure you'll have enough time.
You can buy tickets from visitor center and online. We got tickets from King's College Visitor Center. Here we are approaching to the front court view. It's really calm and quiet place. And now we are walking towards the largest chapel in UK, and also this is the second largest chapel in the world. The most famous feature is its fan vaulted ceiling. So chapel is the most noted landmark in city. The chapel has one of the most beautiful interiors. Number 2, Gin Laboratory. And our brother Situm suggests to visit Gin Laboratory. So we are on the way towards our location. You can learn bit about the origin of gin at the reception. They will explain for you. Gravity was a concept we learned at our school time, and when we first see this place, actually we were speechless for a while. So this is that famous apple tree behind the concept of gravity. This is the most weighted activity in Cambridge. So this is the time for punting on the river Cam.
Seated. My name's Richard.
Richard, hi Richard.
I'm going to be your tour guide today.
Thank you.
And on this tour, we're going to see 8 colleges, 9 bridges, and a whole load of other things. 43 AD. They built the first ever river crossing in Cambridge. After them came the Saxons, the site where Shushimor composed his famous poem Farewell Again to Cambridge. And there's actually a plaque behind that has the last line, Wren Library.
This one there, that you did?
Yeah, this one here. It's the largest single library of any college on the river, or any college in Cambridge. The bottom floor is completely empty.
It was a valuable moment that gave us mental relaxation. Our tour guide Richard explained us history and importance of Cambridge. I hope you guys enjoy our first video. So Cambridge is perfect destination for a day trip from London. So it was a good trip and we covered all places we want to visit. Bye bye.